This is Pikachu in the sink. This is Roger Aaron. Ready for rescue.
He's gonna get in the sink.
Do.
He's gonna eat the laptop.
You might want to watch out. Remember, you're not supposed to be on YouTube. Do. Don't fall in the sink. Don't fall in the sink. Yeah, that's right.
Don't fall in the sink, okay?
Oh.
Oh! Don't pick it up! Don't pick it up!
My
Don't
name
you
Jeff.
dare pick it up.
My name Jeff. My name Jeff. Hello. What's your name? Do not fall in the sink. I know what you're thinking. No, you're not gonna do it. Right? Don't even think about it. Don't poof up on me like that. No, don't do that. No. Oh.
Okay, here's the turn on the handle. He's got the laptop.
Hello. Hey, don't even think about going in there. You're gonna go into one of those wine bottles that our parents were drinking.
Yeah, he can actually die if he goes.
Oh,
What?
yeah. Where is he? Jeff. Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay. Hey, wait. What happened? Oh yeah, my finger's covered.
He's not on the sink.
No! Don't do it.
He's gonna fall on the sink.
Do. Hey! Don't bite me. Don't be kissing that skull. Don't kiss it. No, don't eat that. Don't eat that. Don't eat that. I'm gonna block that. Oh. Yeah, that's right. Don't fall in the sink. I'm warning you. Don't eat Downy. I'm closing that. I'm closing that Downy. Oh shit.
Oh, he's gonna fall in the sink.
Don't. Where's the sink? There it is.
He's gonna fall in. Wait, he wants to go in there. He
Wait,
thinks
hold on, where
that's
are
a
you?
hot tub. Wait, he thinks that's a hot tub.
No, he doesn't. He does not.
Okay, don't you dare think about it. Don't you dare walk in the sink.
That no. That's medicine. Do not drink medicine, okay? That's one life lesson.
No, two, because he's not allowed to go in the sink.
My name's Jeff. No, you're so close to the sink. What do you think you're doing? Don't turn your back on me like that.
Oh, he's
Guys, you might want to watch out. I'm gonna do face cam. I'm gonna do face cam.
Look out. Come here.
Okay, they're not supposed to be on YouTube. Oh, crap.
Wait, can I contact the teacher?
Okay, thank you for watching this video. This was a birdie falling into the sink. Thank you for watching. Bye.